product that we have here at VR Boom, this is primarily a collection of slides and instructions for teachers to use to get the virtual reality kind of curriculum and technology into schools around the world. So this provides instructions for beginners all the way up to learning more advanced techniques around how to develop for virtual reality, but also things like how to actually get started with it as well, depending on the kind of equipment that schools have.
On the Canon stand with a smart board, and today I can show you what the difference is between smart and other panels. So the biggest thing with smart is I can choose what I would like to do on my smart board, whether I would like my lessons to be pushed to my students and my students to interact with those lessons, or whether I just want to be able to pick up a pen and write.
Oh, the Lenovo laptops we have here today, we're promoting the fact that we can use inking. So if you're using STEM, you can use pens to write on screens. And when you're using robotics, you can download the apps, and you can use touch on the screen to drive robotics.
Footsteps are always in front of us. Yes, now I can look out there, and in 1989, a guy called Sir Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web. Same year we started, and if it wasn't for that World Wide Web, we would never have been able to do what we set out to do. So that's interesting. The other thing, people say to me, so, you were brought up in this house without electricity, you didn't have any degrees like that, that clever stuff, and you were singing a rock and roll band, you did play school, you did all that. How come you got involved with all of this amazing technology stuff? And my answer was really simple. Good Māori answer, I just surrounded myself with clever white people. And they don't come any whiter than that, they're from Dunedin.
We wanted to see if its sharp crystalline shapes, bold lines, and lower, wider profile would attract the desired level of attention. Will the 17-inch black alloy wheels stop passers-by in their tracks? Will the angular headlights attract the attention of other road users? Will a crowd gather to check out its fresh, sporty look? Well, not quite. But did the intention-seeking design distract you from noticing that the entire street has been changing right before your very eyes? Don't believe us? Have another look. Did you spot the van changing to a taxi? How about the scooter changing to a pair of bicycles? Or the lady holding a pin? Let alone the fact that the entire street is now completely different. Didn't think so.